Are you looking for the best PC game flight controls? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best PC game flight controls on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech G-Pro Flight Yoke System. The Logitech G-Pro Flight Yoke System offers a realistic and robust control for your virtual aircraft in flight simulators. It comes with 75 programmable controls, including buff hat, 14-button controls, and 3-position mode switch. A stainless steel yoke shaft ensures smooth and accurate control. The system also includes a 2-position desk clamp that provides mounting flexibility for a wide range of desks with a robust, secure clamping force. Number 2. Logitech GX56 H.O.T.A.S Joystick. The Logitech GX56 H.O.T.A.S joystick and throttle controller is a military-grade controller designed for space and flight simulators. It offers customizable options and programmable controls to achieve the exact level of performance required by aspiring combat pilots. The RGB backlighting can be customized to match the rest of your gaming rig, while the mini analog stick control surfaces provide precise control over pitch, roll, yaw, and weapon control. The controller is also ideal for VR use and features fully featured Hotas with twin throttles, friction adjuster, and throttle lock. Number 3. Logitech G Pro Flight Rudder Pedals. The Logitech Rudder pedals, part of the G Pro Flight series, are a must-have addition to your flight simulation setup. These pedals provide smooth and accurate control, adding another layer of realism to your flying experience. With the adjustable tension dial, you can easily customize the response of the pedals to match your preference, whether you're flying a small aircraft or a heavy jet. The differential toe brakes give you full control when maneuvering your aircraft on the runway. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10, these pedals are easy to set up and use. With their high-quality construction and precise performance, the Logitech Rudder pedals are perfect for aviation enthusiasts and gamers alike. Number 4. Thrustmaster T-Flight Hotas. The Thrustmaster T-Flight Hotas 1 is the first official joystick for Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and PC, with official buttons for the Xbox One console. Designed for all types of flight simulation, it features a detachable, full-size throttle for easy maneuverability, even in virtual reality, and comprehensive flight gear including 5 axes, 14 action buttons, 1 rapid-fire trigger, and 1 multi-directional hat switch for navigation or panoramic view. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gameplay sessions. Number 5. Honeycomb Alpha Flight Controls. The Honeycomb Alpha Flight Controls yoke and switch panel has a left handle with an 8-way hat switch, 2 vertical 2-way rocker switches, a button, and a push-to-talk button. The right handle has 2 horizontal 2-way rocker switches, 1 large and 1 small button. It features a solid steel yoke shaft with 180 degrees yoke rotation, a 5-position ignition switch, and a switch panel for master, avionics, alternator, and light. The dual mounting solution allows for full use with or without clamps, and includes 2 heavy-duty steel clamps and a 3M micro suction pad for clamp-free use on thicker tabletops. Number 6. Thrustmaster T-Flight Full Kit. The Thrustmaster T-Flight Full Kit is a high-precision gaming controller designed for flight simulation on Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and PC. This kit features official Xbox console buttons that allow you to easily access social features, switch between the game and the console, and navigate through the console's menus. With its hands-on throttle and stick, Hotas, controls, you can enjoy an immersive gaming experience in various flight simulations. Be it space adventures, modern air combat, vintage warplanes, or civil flights. The Thrustmaster T-Flight full kit also comes with rudder pedals featuring the Thrustmaster SMART slide rails system for smooth steering. The ergonomically designed pedals allow you to place your entire foot on each pedal, thanks to the removable heel rests. Additionally, the kit includes a large detachable throttle with multiple axes, buttons, and switches for enhanced control and precision. Number 7. Logitech X52 Pro Flight Control System. The Logitech X52 Pro Flight Control System features magnetic non-contact X and Y-axis sensors for improved accuracy and longevity, a dual spring centering mechanism for smooth control, a multifunction LCD display for direct control of the simulation's radio panel functionality, 3D twist with rudder lock, and a 5-position grip system for ergonomic comfort. It also offers 282 programmable commands over 3 modes for easy access to all the commands in your favorite games without switching to your keyboard.